What if you could fill your home with lush, beautiful greenery without spending hours caring for your plants? Some houseplants are natural survivors. They grow quickly, tolerate missed waterings, and keep producing fresh leaves with surprisingly little attention. In this video, we're counting down 10 incredible houseplants that can transform your indoor space into a mini jungle with almost zero care. These plants are perfect for beginners, busy people, travelers, or anyone who simply forgets to water. And wait until you see number 1. It may be one of the easiest plants you can grow. Stay until the end, because these plants don't just survive neglect. Many of them actually thrive on it. Let's discover the ultimate low-maintenance indoor plants. Plant number 1. Golden Pothos is one of the easiest houseplants you can grow, and it can spread incredibly fast when given decent, indirect light. Its heart-shaped green leaves feature beautiful golden patterns, making it both attractive and forgiving. You can let the soil partially dry between waterings, so there's no need to constantly monitor it. Pothos also adapts surprisingly well to different indoor environments and can grow in hanging baskets, pots, shelves, or even water. Once established, long vines can cascade dramatically over furniture. Simply trim the vines when they become too long, and you can even propagate the cuttings to create new plants. If you want maximum growth with minimum effort, Golden Pothos is an excellent place to start. Give it bright, indirect light, occasional watering, and watch it turn into a lush indoor jungle. Plant number 2. Spider plant is practically designed for beginners. It grows quickly, produces long, arching leaves, and regularly creates tiny baby plants called plantlets that hang from the mother plant. These babies can easily be separated and rooted to create even more plants. Spider plants tolerate periods of dryness, making them forgiving if you occasionally forget to water. They prefer bright, indirect light, but can adapt to moderate indoor conditions. As the plant matures, its leaves create a beautiful fountain-like shape that looks fantastic on shelves or hanging baskets. The best part is that you don't need complicated care routines. Water when the soil begins to dry, provide reasonable light, and remove damaged leaves when necessary. With just these simple steps, a healthy spider plant can keep producing new growth and babies with surprisingly little attention. Plant number 3. ZZ plant is famous for surviving conditions that would challenge many other houseplants. Its thick stems and glossy leaves store water, allowing the plant to handle periods of dryness extremely well. It doesn't require frequent watering, and it can tolerate lower indoor light better than many fast-growing plants. When placed in brighter, indirect light and given proper drainage, however, the ZZ plant can produce impressive new shoots from beneath the soil. These shoots gradually unfold into shiny green stems, creating a fuller appearance. The secret is simple. Don't overwater it. Allow the potting mix to dry significantly before watering again. This plant is especially useful for busy plant owners who want attractive greenery without a demanding routine. Give it a suitable pot, indirect light, and occasional watering, and it can reward you with beautiful new growth. Plant number 4. Chinese Evergreen is a fantastic choice if you want colorful foliage without complicated maintenance. Depending on the variety, its leaves can feature shades of green, silver, cream, or subtle patterns that brighten indoor spaces. It handles moderate light well and generally prefers its soil to dry slightly between waterings. Once established, it can steadily produce new leaves from the center, gradually becoming fuller and more impressive. Avoid keeping the roots constantly soaked, because consistently wet soil can cause problems. Instead, use a pot with drainage and water when the upper portion of the soil feels dry. Chinese Evergreen is particularly useful for bedrooms, offices, hallways, and other indoor areas where lighting may not be extremely bright. With occasional watering, indirect light, and very little fuss, this resilient plant can keep your home looking green and vibrant. Plant number 5. Cast iron plant. If you want a plant that practically refuses to give up, meet the cast iron plant. Its name says everything about its reputation for toughness. It grows slowly compared with some plants on this list, but it requires remarkably little attention and can tolerate lower light and occasional neglect. Its long, elegant leaves emerge directly from the soil, creating a lush, tropical appearance. It doesn't need frequent watering, and it generally prefers to dry somewhat between waterings. Because it handles challenging indoor conditions, it can be an excellent choice for darker rooms where many plants struggle. Keep it away from harsh, direct sunlight. Provide reasonable drainage and water when needed. Over time, healthy plants can produce fresh leaves from the base, gradually creating a dense cluster. For low-maintenance greenery that can handle busy schedules, cast iron plant is hard to beat. Plant number 6. Jade Plant combines attractive appearance with remarkably simple care. Its thick, fleshy leaves store water, allowing it to survive periods without frequent watering. When placed near a bright window with plenty of indirect or gentle direct light, it can develop sturdy stems and abundant new leaves. The biggest mistake is watering too often. Let the soil dry well before watering thoroughly, then allow excess water to drain away. Jade plants also respond well to occasional pruning, which can encourage branching and create a fuller, miniature tree appearance. Their compact shape makes them perfect for desks, windowsills, shelves, and small indoor gardens. With good light, gritty, well-draining soil, and patience between waterings, a jade plant can remain healthy for years. It's an excellent option for anyone who wants attractive greenery without constantly checking moisture levels. Plant number 7. Rubber plant is an excellent choice when you want dramatic growth and large, glossy leaves without an extremely complicated care routine. With bright, indirect light, it can produce fresh leaves from the growing tips and gradually become a striking indoor tree. Watering is simple. Allow the upper layer of soil to dry before watering again, and always provide good drainage. It appreciates consistency but does not need daily attention. Wiping its broad leaves occasionally can also help keep them looking glossy and clean. As the plant grows taller, pruning can encourage branching and create a fuller shape. Rubber plants work beautifully in living rooms, offices, and bright corners where their large foliage can become a major decorative feature. Give it enough light, avoid constantly wet soil, and this resilient plant can reward you with impressive new growth. Plant number 8. Aloe Vera is another low-maintenance favorite that is perfect for people who often forget about their plants. Its thick, fleshy leaves hold water, allowing it to tolerate dry conditions much better than many tropical houseplants. The key to success is giving aloe vera plenty of bright light and avoiding excessive watering. Let the potting mix dry thoroughly before watering again, and make sure the container has excellent drainage. Healthy aloe plants can produce offsets or baby plants around the base as they mature. These can eventually be separated and grown into additional plants. Aloe's sculptural shape also looks beautiful on sunny windowsills, desks, and kitchen areas. Because it stores moisture in its leaves, you don't need to maintain a daily watering schedule. Give it sunlight, dry soil between waterings, and occasional attention, and aloe vera can thrive with very little effort. Plant number 9. Peperomia is small, attractive, and surprisingly forgiving, making it ideal for desks, shelves, and compact indoor spaces. Many varieties have thick leaves that hold moisture, so they don't need frequent watering. Instead of keeping the soil constantly wet, allow it to dry partially before watering again. Bright, indirect light helps maintain healthy growth, although many Peperomia varieties can adapt to moderate indoor light. As the plant becomes established, it can produce new leaves and branches, creating a fuller appearance without demanding complicated maintenance. Another advantage is its compact size, which means it works well even if you have limited space. Use a loose, well-draining potting mix and avoid oversized containers that stay wet for too long. With simple care and occasional trimming, Peperomia can remain attractive and productive while asking surprisingly little from its owner. Plant number 10. Heartleaf Philodendron is a classic, low-maintenance houseplant that can quickly transform a small pot into a cascade of green vines. Its heart-shaped leaves develop along flexible stems that can trail from shelves, hanging baskets, or climb supports. It prefers bright, indirect light for strong growth, but it can tolerate moderate indoor conditions. Watering is easy. Wait until the upper portion of the soil begins to dry. Then water thoroughly and allow excess moisture to escape. Regular trimming can encourage a bushier appearance, while healthy cuttings can be propagated to produce new plants. Its adaptability makes it especially popular with beginners. If you want a plant that looks lush and tropical without demanding constant attention, Heartleaf Philodendron is a fantastic choice. Give it indirect light, reasonable watering, and occasional pruning, and it can keep producing beautiful vines for a long time. And there you have it, 10 houseplants that can grow beautifully without demanding constant care. From fast-growing golden pothos and spider plant to tough ZZ plant, cast iron plant, and aloe vera, there's an option here for almost every type of plant owner. Remember, low care doesn't mean completely carefree. The right light, proper drainage, and watering only when needed can make a huge difference. Which plant would you choose for your home? Tell us in the comments, and if you already grow one of these plants, share your experience. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to naturallife_SR7, and turn on notifications for more easy plant growing tips, indoor jungle ideas, and beginner-friendly gardening secrets. Your next beautiful houseplant might be much easier to grow than you think.